Sunday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of showers until midnight.
Just 1 minute.
Lows in the mid-50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles
Just
an hour.
now.
Chance of rain 50%.
Okay.
Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the lower 50s. West winds 5
Hopefully
to 10 miles an hour
nothing
with gusts up to 20 miles an hour.
happens
Tuesday and Tuesday
this
night,
time.
mostly clear. Hot. Highs in the mid-80s. Lows in the upper 50s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday through Thursday, partly cloudy. Hot. Highs around 90. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here are the latest key weather messages across southern New England for the next 7 days. Unseasonably warm to hot temperatures continue today and Saturday with dry weather persisting. Increasing risk for showers and a few strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday evening. Sunday trends somewhat warmer with periods of showers and possible thunder showers. Dry and cooler conditions return early next week with onshore flow, before temperatures trend more summer-like by midweek. Here are the 2 p.m. observations for the Worcester area.
For starting now.
It was sunny. The temperature was 83
So,
degrees.
before we move on to the convective discussion, right here, like, this is specifically for New England,
Elsewhere around
but
in western Massachusetts, the report from Pittsfield was not available. At Orange, sunny, temperature
and
86.
also I am uncertain about where all this is going to happen or not, especially thunderstorms, of course, but
Wind northwest at 10, gusting to 25. In eastern Massachusetts,
obviously. But let's start now. So, what has changed? Continue to refine summary temperatures and timing of precipitation along the risk of thunderstorms, which some could be severe, for this coming weekend, aka tomorrow into Sunday.
Wind west at 6. In Jaffrey, sunny, temperature 84, wind west at 6.
The key messages are: 1. Unseasonably warm to hot temperatures continue today and Saturday with dry weather persisting. 2. Increasing risk for showers and a few strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday evening. Sunny trends, somewhat warmer with periods of showers and possible thunder showers. And 3. Dry and cooler conditions return early next week with onshore flow before temperatures trend more summer-like by midweek. We're not going to read the entire discussion, by the way, because that'll take forever. So let's just move on to Day 2 Convective Outlook. And, yeah, the areas in the slight risk area include New York City, Philadelphia, Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, and Pittsburgh. The areas in the marginal risk include Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Fort Worth, Texas, and Baltimore, as well as Washington, D.C. As well as Washington, D.C. You do not want to forget Rhode Island, also under the... That's not important now, but yes, Rhode Island is also under the marginal risk. It looks like all of Connecticut is in the slight risk alongside the vast majority of Massachusetts. And southern New Hampshire. Anyways, let's just continue now. So, the tornado risk only applies to eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania,
Southwest winds 10 to 15
Now,
miles
this is
an hour.
what has.
Gusts up to
Now,
20
this is
miles
what
an
caught
hour,
my
increasing
attention.
to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon.
Well, there's a
Saturday
5%
night,
chance
mostly cloudy with a chance
of
showers and
damaging
thunderstorms.
winds
Some thunderstorms may produce gusty
within
winds,
northern
small hail,
Texas, southern
and heavy
Oklahoma,
rainfall.
as well
Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts
as
up to
well
20
as
miles an hour.
in
Chance
eastern
of rain
Montana,
50%.
what looks like
Sunday,
northeastern
partly
Wyoming,
sunny with a
as
chance of
well as
showers.
as well as the
Thunderstorm with highs in the upper
Dakotas,
70s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an
western
hour
North
with gusts
Dakota,
up to 25 miles an hour.
northwestern South Dakota,
Chance of rain 50%. Sunday
or at least
night,
that's what I
mostly
hope they
cloudy
are.
until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy.
But anyway,
Showers until
in addition
midnight.
to those areas
Lows in the
that
mid-50s.
have 5% chance of
North
damaging
winds 10 to
winds,
15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%.
southern Iowa, northern Missouri,
Monday and Monday night,
as well as
mostly
central
clear.
Illinois, most of
Highs in the
Indiana,
mid-70s. Lows in the lower
southern
60s.
Michigan, pretty much all of
West winds 5
Ohio.
to 10 miles an
Wait,
hour with gusts up
well,
to 20
no,
miles an
not
hour.
pretty much all Ohio, but
Tuesday and Tuesday
but
night,
western
mostly
Ohio,
clear. Hot. Highs in the
northern,
mid-80s.
like some West
Upper
Virginia,
50s.
some far northern
West winds
Kentucky,
around 5
far
miles an
northern
hour.
Virginia, yeah.
Wednesday through Thursday, partly cloudy. Hot. Highs
And of
around
course,
90. Lows in the
northern New
mid-60s.
York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire,
Southwest winds 5
southern
to 10 miles an
Rhode
hour.
Island, in
Here are the
southeastern
latest
Massachusetts,
messages across
they
southern
all
New England for the
have
next 7
a
days.
5% chance.
Unseasonably warm to hot
They're all
temperatures.
at a 5%
Today
risk
and
of
Saturday
damaging
with dry
winds.
weather persisting. Increasing risk for showers and
While
to severe thunderstorms
most of
Saturday evening.
Ohio,
Sunday trends somewhat warmer with periods of showers and possible
most of
thunderstorms.
Pennsylvania, southern
Dry
New
and
York,
cooler
southern
conditions
Vermont,
return
southern
early
New
next week
Hampshire,
with onshore flow
northern
before
Connecticut,
temperatures
and
turn
most of
more tolerant by
Massachusetts
midweek.
are all
Here are the 2
under
p.m. observations for the
a
Worcester area.
15% risk
In
of
Worcester,
damaging
it was
winds,
sunny.
which
The
sounds
temperature was 83
like
degrees.
some
The dew
storms
point 45, and the relative
may produce
humidity
wind gusts to
26%.
70 miles per
The
hour.
wind was west at
In
16
addition
miles
to
an hour.
most of the storms also,
The pressure
hey!
was 29.96 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, in western Massachusetts, the report from Pittsfield was not available.
Sorry about that. It just refreshed. But anyway, I was saying,
Gusting to 22.
the 15% chance of damaging winds,
Wind west at 13.
that sounds like
And in Westfield, mostly
that sounds like several storms are gonna may produce
in eastern Massachusetts.
wind gusts at 70 miles an hour. Again, I'm not the best. I'm not a weather professional, but
And at Bedford, sunny, temperature 86.
but based on like
Variable at 3.
I don't know.
Southeast Massachusetts
But yeah,
at Norwood, sunny, temperature 87, wind northwest
and
at 6.
it's mainly southeastern New York, looks like northern New Jersey as well.
At Keene, sunny,
Most of
temperature
Pennsylvania,
85,
even
west at
eastern
6.
Ohio,
In Jaffrey, sunny,
you know,
temperature
a small
84,
portion of eastern
wind
Ohio
west at 6. At Manchester,
have a
partly
30%
sunny,
chance
temperature
of
89, wind west at
damaging wind
13.
gusts.
And in Nashua,
Well,
sunny,
to me at
temperature
least,
87,
that sounds
wind
like
west at 9, gusting
wind
to
gusts
16.
could be as high as
Northern
80
Connecticut
miles per hour
Atlantic, mostly sunny,
when the risk of
temperature
damaging
83,
winds is that high.
variable at 7. In northern Rhode Island, at Smithfield, mostly sunny.
And as you can
Temperature
see, like
83,
says like
variable at 6. Once again,
I don't know what CIG1 stands for.
it was sunny.
Oh wait, no.
Temperature was 83 and the wind was west at 16.
Oh no, yeah, like intensity graph. I think that's what I
Now for
meant.
the 2 p.m.
I think that means. I think that's
across
supposed to
the
mean
northeast
intensity
United
graph.
States. In Massachusetts, at
Excuse-
Taunton, sunny,
Excuse me.
88. In
Excuse
Hyannis,
me.
sunny, and 82. And in Nantucket,
But
sunny,
anyway,
75. In Rhode Island, at Providence, partly sunny, and 86. In Newport, mostly
you
sunny,
know
and
what? Let's.
82. And at Block Island, mostly sunny, and 78.
Alright.
In Connecticut, at Hartford,
And
mostly
then,
sunny,
of
and
course,
88. In Groton, mostly sunny,
the large
and
hail
78.
graphic
And at New Haven,
shows
mostly sunny, and 79.
shows that
At Albany,
Texas,
mostly
Oklahoma,
sunny, and 86.
Montana, North Dakota,
In
South
New York
Dakota,
City, mostly sunny,
Iowa, Missouri,
87.
Illinois, Indiana,
And in
some
Iceland,
Idaho, some
partly
West
sunny,
Virginia,
and
some
85.
of Pennsylvania,
And across
most of New
northern
York,
New England,
Vermont,
Burlington, partly sunny, and
New
84.
Hampshire, some of
In Concord,
Massachusetts,
sunny, and
Connecticut,
88.
Rhode Island,
At Portland, cloudy, and 81. And on top of
all have a 5% chance of large hail,
gusting to 18 miles an hour.
which is easily like up to quarter size when it's a 5% chance. For like the 15% chance, sounds like hail would could become as big as ping pong balls. Again, I'm not that skilled. Like, again, I'm not a war professional. Like,
southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
and
Saturday, partly sunny. Hot with highs around 90, except in the mid-80s above 1,000 feet. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour.
but yeah,
To 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds.
for Southern New England,
Rainfall.
Southern New England went from being in a moderate risk to a slight risk of severe weather.
To 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain.
And we've wasted enough time now.
Sunday, partly sunny
Enough
with a
unnecessary
chance of
time. So now,
not as warm with highs
let's
in the
move
upper
on
50s.
to this.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Let's
with
move on to
gusts up
this.
25 miles an hour. Chance of
So,
50%.
as it says,
Mostly
there's a
cloudy
slight
and
risk of
cloudy.
severe thunderstorms across parts of the Northern Plains from the Ohio Valley to New England.
North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts
The
up to
summary
25
says,
miles an hour.
scattered severe storms capable of large hail and damaging winds
Lows in the
are
lower 50s.
possible from portions of the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley into the northeast
Tuesday
and
and
over
Tuesday
the
night,
Northern
mostly
High
clear.
Plains.
Hot.
More isolated occurrences of large hail and
Lows
damaging
in the
winds
upper
are
50s.
possible
West
across
winds around
parts
5
of the
miles an
Southern
hour.
Plains in the lower
Wednesday
Missouri
through
Valley
Thursday,
into
partly
the
cloudy.
mid-Mississippi
Hot.
Valley.
Highs around 90.
Synopsis
Lows in the mid-60s.
says
Southwest wind 5 to 10
the
miles an
mid-level
hour.
pattern will amplify
Here are the
Saturday
key
with
weather
a
messages
ridge
across southern New England for the
building
next 7 days.
across the upper Midwest
Unseasonably warm to
into
hot
central
temperatures continue today
Canada
and Saturday
with an
with dry weather
amplifying
persisting.
trough
Increasing risk of
across
showers
the
and a few strong to
northeast
severe
and another
thunderstorms Saturday
trough
evening.
across.
Sunday trends somewhat warmer with periods of showers and possible
Come
thunderstorms.
on!
Dry and cooler conditions return early next week with onshore flow before temperatures trend
First
more
again.
summer-like by
But
midweek.
anyway,
Here are the 2 p.m. observations for the Worcester area. In Worcester, it was sunny. The temperature was 83 degrees.
the mid-level pattern will amplify Saturday with a ridge building across the upper Midwest into central Canada with an amplifying trough across the northeast and another trough across the northwest.
Sunny. Temperature
Excuse me.
at 13, gusting to 22. At Fitchburg, sunny. Temperature 87, wind west at 13. And in Westfield, mostly sunny. Temperature 88, wind
Anyway.
northwest at 10, gusting to 25. In eastern Massachusetts, in Boston, cloudy. Temperature 88, wind northwest at 9.
A surface,
And at Bedford,
a
sunny. Temperature 86,
surface low
wind variable at 3.
will deepen across southern Quebec during the day with a cold front extending into the Ohio Valley.
In southern New Hampshire,
A leading cyclone will also develop
in Jaffrey,
across
sunny.
eastern
Temperature
Montana
84,
as the
wind
mid-level
west
trough
at 6.
advances eastward.
Manchester, partly sunny. Temperature 89, wind west
The
at
Ohio
15.
Valley to the
And
northeast.
in Nashua,
A
sunny.
cluster of
Temperature
storms
87,
will likely
wind
be
west at
ongoing
9,
starting morning
gusting to
across
16.
parts of the Ohio Valley.
In northern Connecticut,
These storms
at
should
Willimantic,
gradually
mostly
weaken through
sunny.
the morning as they
Temperature
move
83,
east.
wind variable at
West
7.
southerly low-level
In
flow
northern
will
Rhode
strengthen
Island, at Smithfield,
through the morning
mostly
as the
sunny.
surface low
Temperature
deepens and the
83,
pressure gradient
wind variable at
tightens.
6. Once again, repeating the 2 p.m.
This will
weather
result
for the
in
Worcester
moisture
area. It was
advection
sunny.
ahead of a cold
The
front
temperature
from
was
Ohio
83,
into
and the
Pennsylvania
wind
and
was
New
west
York.
at 16.
Clouds from morning convection will limit destabilization initially.
At Taunton,
However,
in Hyannis,
once these
sunny,
clouds
82.
clear,
And
an
in Nantucket, sunny,
uncapped
and 75.
environment with moderate instability is expected to develop very quickly along the cold front. continue mid-level ascent and converges along the front to support thunderstorm development during the afternoon. Moderate 40 knot flow air aloft should support storm organization, including the potential for supercells in large linear clusters. Large hail and damaging wind gusts will be the primary threats. More widespread wind damage may occur from far eastern Ohio across Pennsylvania into southeastern New York and northern New Jersey, where the strongest instability will be present and a broken line of storms appears likely. Northeast Montana and northwest North Dakota. Destabilization will occur during the day across eastern Montana and western North Dakota as southeasterly surface winds strengthen ahead of the deepening Lee cyclone affecting low 60s dew points into the region. As height falls overspread this area, storms are expected to develop by mid-afternoon across central and southeast Montana. As these storms move into greater instability to the east-northeast, the large hail and severe wind spread is expected to increase. The strong surface heating and steep low mid-level rates across the northern plains, combined with the increasing shear, will provide an environment supporting 70 to 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Just like what was pretty much expected from in the northeast, pretty much. In fact, some guidance such as the 12Z NSSL WRF show a missile scale kinetic system with an over 80 rear inflow jet, which could support over 80 miles per hour wind gusts if it were to materialize. Well, that's two regions at risk for 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Yeah. The southern plains, a moist environment with over 70 degree dew points will be present across the southern plains on Saturday. Moderate instability is forecast as temperatures cool off with a weak mid-level shortwave trough overspreading this area. This moist, unstable air mass and 30 to 35 knots of shear will support organized storms, including few supercells capable of isolated large hail and or water load downbursts.
Unseasonably warm to hot temperatures continue today and Saturday with dry weather persisting. Increasing risk for showers and a few strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday evening. Sunday trends somewhat warmer with periods of showers and possible thunderstorms.
Those living within the northeast and those living within Montana and the Dakotas.
Here are the 2 p.m. observations for the Worcester area.
I think it's best that you continue to monitor the situation closely, just in case it potentially worsens. Not that it will, because who knows? But yeah.
The report from Pittsfield was not available. At Orange, sunny, temperature 86, wind west at 13, gusting to 22.
So, with that said, that is all I have for this weather stream.
Wind northwest at 10, gusting to 25.
Even though I don't think this was the best one,
temperature 88, wind northwest at 9.
at least I did my best.
Temperature 86, wind variable at 3. In southeast
Okay.
sunny, temperature 87, wind northwest at 6, gusting to 17.
But yeah.
New Hampshire, at Keene, sunny, temperature 85, wind west at 6. In Jaffrey, sunny, temperature 84, wind west at 6. At Manchester, partly sunny, temperature
If the situation does worsen for any area,
87, wind west at 9, gusting to 6.
then I will be back
Mostly sunny, temperature 83, wind variable
with
at 7.
that update.
Northern Rhode Island, a
But
Smithfield,
for
mostly
now,
sunny, temperature 83,
I have
wind variable at 6.
to go.
Once again, repeating the 2 p.m. weather for the
So,
Worcester area,
yeah.
it was sunny. The temperature
For
was
everyone
83
who
and the wind
did
was west at 16. Now for the 2 p.m. observation
watch this when
across
this
the northeastern United States.
was live,
In Massachusetts, Ed Taunton, sunny and 88.
that,
In Hyannis, sunny and
that's
82.
good for results.
And in Nantucket,
But
sunny and
for those who
75.
never got to watch it
Rhode
before
Island
the streaming
and
it,
Providence, partly sunny
you
and
can
86.
still watch it
In
here
Newport,
on
mostly sunny
YouTube.
and 82. And at Block Island, mostly sunny and
So
79.
yeah, that
In
is all I have to
Connecticut
say
and
now.
Hartford, mostly
So,
sunny and
until
88.
then,
In Groton,
next
mostly sunny
time.
and